When you take cloves for 30 days, this will happen to you. What are the things that will happen to you? What are the benefits you are going to derive when you keep taking cloves for 30 days? So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the benefits you will derive from taking cloves. Before I proceed on what will happen to you once you keep taking cloves for 30 days, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider today to subscribe to be a member of this channel. So what are the benefits you are going to derive once you keep taking cloves for 30 days? And what will happen to you if you keep taking cloves? Now, apart from giving you power as a man, or it serves as a natural manpower if you keep taking cloves. Apart from correcting erectile dysfunction, because cloves help to correct erectile dysfunction, there are other benefits which are very important to human health. So that is what I am going to share for you people in today's video. And not only men will consume these cloves and get all these benefits, both children and women can still consume cloves and get same benefits. Number one is that cloves help your body system to produce insulin that regulates blood sugar. So cloves helps to control diabetes. So if maybe you are getting to the point of diabetes, or you have the symptoms of diabetes, consider today to keep taking cloves. Add it in your tea or in any of your diets to help you regulate the amount of sugar level in your body system. Number two benefit you are going to derive from taking clove is that it will help you to freshen your breath. If you have a bad breath, or the way you breathe is uncomfortable, your breathing is not fresh, consider taking cloves today. You will get same benefits of having a fresh breath. Number three is that it helps you to boost up your immunity. Hope you know that immunity is what fights diseases and germs in our body system. If your immune system is not in order, that means it will be easy for you to contact disease or germs. But if your immune system is in perfect state, it will be very hard for you to contact any disease or germs, like having infection, bacteria, fungi, or anything that will disrupt your immune system. So consider taking cloves to boost that immunity, that help you to fight diseases and germs. It will help you to take good care of your liver. Yes, for any man to perform well, he must have a good liver. For every woman or anybody to perform well, he or she must have a good liver. So if you want to improve your liver, the health of your liver, consider taking cloves, because cloves will do this. Cloves will take good care of your liver. So for you to perform well, adopt taking cloves for 30 days. It will improve your liver and make you to stay strong. You as a man, it will help you to prevent erectile dysfunction. Yes, erectile dysfunction is when a man is unable to maintain erection. So with cloves, it will help you to get rid of this problem. So consider taking cloves. You will be the best man you will ever think of. So these are the benefits you are going to derive from taking cloves for 30 days. There are other health benefits like your heart and other things which you will derive from taking cloves. Maybe you want to eat or you want to drink tea, add cloves in your diet. You can chew cloves on its own without any other ingredients. You will still get the benefits. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.